Dad. Okay, I think everything's had a chance to set. Let's get on to the next step.
I sound so goofy. So I'm gonna break these off. It's a little what you say? It's not quite ready, but I always wear safety glasses because one of those shot up in my face, but I have my regular glasses on, so I was okay. And of course, I'm not using necessarily the right materials. All right, let's see what else we can do here. So you see, they're still sticking out some. Already knocked them all away. So I just want to. I mean, they're still thin toothpicks. Oops, I am tearing some stuff up here. Thankfully, it's not going to be seen. Some professionals gonna look at this and go, "What a mess this guy's making! What does he think he's doing?" But it works. It does work. I know, I've done it before. Which is why when I went to go do it, I was like, "Oh, you know what? Let me make a video." All right. So, got my hinge. Got my screws. This screwdriver just happens to ratchet and it's small, so I'm just gonna start all three. No, I do not own power tools, really. I had a drill once, but it's dead, and I just never replaced it. I could use them. I just have never been that guy. Like my brother-in-law, love him to death, and I'm not talking smack, but he has every single DeWalt power tool, which is easy for me because if I actually need anything, I just ask them. I don't have to buy it. But every single DeWalt power tool that's battery operated, they all take the same battery. He has everything. Now, I wanted to make the video. I didn't want to wait. As you see, it's setting in there just fine. But I would recommend letting the glue sit overnight. That way you get a good hard set. I honestly might have to redo this if it doesn't set with this in here. But I'm actually not going to hang it right now. So I'm just set with everything in there. But this is just where I messed it up a little bit. But that's in there. Those screws are set. Let it set. So either let the toothpick set in overnight after you've glued them, or do like I did and let this set overnight before hanging it back up on the door frame. All right. That's it. One of my things that I can actually, my little life hack that I know how to do. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Love you guys.